Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and priming the Bullets Wireless Z2. Plug the USB-C charger and wait for the LED indicator. A steady light means sufficient battery. While charging, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and that nearby headsets are off to avoid automatic pairing conflicts. Once charged and clear of interference, press and hold the power/pair button. You'll feel a vibration and see the LED flash, signaling the headset is ready to enter pairing mode. With the Z2 flashing, open your phone's Bluetooth menu and look for OnePlus Bullets Z2. Tap to pair. You might be asked to confirm a pairing code. Accept it. Once paired, check Bluetooth settings to enable both media and call audio so music and phone calls route correctly. If your phone supports aptX or AAC, keep that codec enabled for better sound quality. Make sure volume limits on the phone are not capped. Adjust playback volume after a test track to verify balance. Now learn the controls and maintenance. Use the inline buttons for play, pause, skip, and volume, and long press for voice assistant. This saves time during daily use. Periodically check for firmware updates in the OnePlus or Companion app to improve stability and codecs. If you encounter issues, no audio, intermittent dropouts, or failed pairing, reset the earbuds by powering off, holding the power for a longer reset sequence, then repair. If that fails, charge above 20% and try again. Low battery often causes erratic behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.